All of the big supermarkets are plotting to do something really positive with product packaging.
You thought I was going to say they're doing something evil.
Aldi, Asda, Co-op, Lidl, Morrison, Ocado, Sainsbury's, Tesco and Waitrose are all joining forces together to try and redefine what reusable packaging can look like. It's a great example of how government legislation, which can hit companies in the wallet, spurs them on to do something positive because they want to save money. There have been loads of trials for reusable and refillable packaging in supermarkets, and they're usually a complete failure. They make a mess in supermarkets. There's way more transportation and maintenance to keep the refill station running properly, which makes them quite expensive. And then not many of us actually use them. A lot of major supermarkets have tried doing refill stations over the years, so it needs to be done differently if it's actually going to work. Now, the government are in the process of introducing extended producer responsibility. This is a scheme where the manufacturers of packaging will then be responsible for the costs of either disposing of or recycling the packaging at the end of life, which suddenly puts a lot of cost back onto big food businesses and supermarkets. So a load of the supermarkets have got together with the charity WRAP to try and create the Plastics Pact 2. Version 1 was so-so. This time around, it's unlikely to be refill stations in supermarkets. It's more likely to be a scheme that when you finish your washing detergent, you hand the container back to the supermarket when you get a new one, and then they refill it and sell it somewhere else. And this is the kind of scheme that can actually work, because when you get loads of the major retailers all on board working in the same direction, agree on how to do it, and then it gets implemented.